In this video, we're going to create a crypto trading bot that uses a swing trading strategy called Ping Pong Swing Trader within Coygo Bots. Coygo Bots allows you to create and run trading bots on all major crypto exchanges with a number of pre-built strategies for day trading, such as arbitrage, grid trading, swing trading, and more. All strategies in Coygo Bots also have their source code fully available to view or modify, so you can know exactly what your trading bot is doing. Coygo Bots also runs entirely on your machine and not our servers. That means your exchange account credentials, aka your API keys, are only stored and encrypted on your machine. Coygo servers never have access to your accounts. Right now, we are on the bots home screen. So we can see My Bots. This will have a list of all trading bots that we've created. We have My Strategies. So each trading bot uses a strategy to define its behavior. The strategy tells the bot what to do. So we can see a list of all available strategies to us here. Also, if we want to create our own custom trading bot strategy, we can use Coygo Forge that allows you to use simple JavaScript code to automate any strategy that you would like. And actually, each strategy we see in Coygo Bots was created with Coygo Forge. So we'll click on My Strategies. And here we see every strategy that's currently available within Coygo Bots. We have a spot grid swing trader, a smart rebalancer, triangular arbitrage on one exchange, inter-exchange arbitrage on two exchanges, flash crash hunter, market maker, and more. But today we're going to be focusing on the ping pong swing trader. So we click on that. You can see on the left side the description of the strategy, and on the right side the full source code. So you can see exactly what the strategy is doing, and you're actually free to view, copy, or even modify this code to customize it as you'd like to see fit. So as far as the ping pong swing trader strategy goes, we can see over here in the description that it alternates between buying and selling to ping pong back and forth as the price moves. It buys when the price drops by a configured percentage within a specific time period, and then sells at a configured percentage above that buy price. The strategy will try to increase profits by following a market trending upwards or downwards before buying or selling, with stop loss and take profit triggers in place to lock in profits and avoid losses. If you want to see the full details, you can see down here exactly what the bot's going to do in each scenario when determining an entry price, submitting a buy order, or submitting a sell order. But we're going to go ahead and create our bot. So back on the My Strategies screen, we see Ping Pong Swing Trader, and we'll click Create Bot. All right, you're creating a new bot. So now we're on the Configure screen for this trading bot using the Ping Pong Swing Trader strategy. The first thing we're going to do is give our trading bot a name. We're going to call this Ethereum Ping Pong Trader. Now we select the execution interval. This is how often the bot can reanalyze market data and submit or manage or cancel orders when appropriate. We're going to keep it at 5 seconds. Coygo Bots is really meant for high frequency, short interval trading. Now the exchange to use, that's self-explanatory. We'll pick Binance US. Now the trade pair to use, I'm going to pick Ethereum USD. But if we want, we could view real-time price charts in any market. We could use the Coygo screener to compose custom search filters to find the coins that we're looking for. Or we could view the arbitrage scanner to view real-time price spreads. But we don't need those today because we know we're going to be trading on Ethereum USD. Now for the order amount, I've set it to 0.3 Ethereum. So we're going to buy or sell 0.3 for each order. Now the dynamic price interval. This is very important for the ping pong swing trader strategy. This determines when to dynamically reset buy or sell rates. So we can select 30 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes. I'm going to pick 30 minutes. Basically, what this says, for example, is if this is set to 30 minutes and the price drop percent buy trigger is set to 1%, then when the price drops by at least 1% within 30 minutes, the asset will be bought. So the price drop percent buy trigger is set to 1%. We also have the minimum profit percentage. I've set this to 0.75 here. This is the minimum desired profit percent used for configuring sell prices. So when a buy order is filled, an accompanying sell order will be opened at the buy orders rate plus the minimum profit percent. So just to recap here, if the price drops at least 1% within 30 minutes, we will buy. And then within 30 minutes, if the price rises by 0.75%, we will have sold. Now say after 30 minutes, the price has not risen to 0.75%, but we're up by 0.5%. The bot will see that, and after 30 minutes, it'll say, okay, the market is trending upwards. We haven't quite hit our target profit yet, but it's still trending upwards. So we'll reset the buy price up again. And then a half hour later, it will reevaluate again. So this allows the bot to follow markets trending upwards before selling or trending downwards before buying. Now we have the stop loss percentage. So if the bot has entered a position by buying an asset, and then the asset's price drops by at least this percent within one dynamic price interval, the bot will sell a position to prevent further losses. So this says if after 30 minutes we bought, and then 30 minutes later the price has continued to drop 0.75%, the bot's going to say, okay, I want to exit this position, prevent any further losses, and it will cancel any open order and sell your position immediately. Now here we have the maximum number of open orders. We have this set to 6. The maximum number of orders per second, I'll set this to 6 as well. Here you have the trading fees. It's been pre-filled with the default trading fees, which are correct for me, but you might have your own depending on your trading volume or VIP tier. And now I'm going to create my bot. All right, now we've just created our first ping pong swing trader trading bot on Binance US Ethereum USD market. Now we can go over here and it's time to run this bot. So we'll click run this bot, and now we can configure this bot run. We can have the max run time. Right now it's set to 4 hours. So this is the max time for a bot to run before stopping. Set to 0, the bot will attempt to run until stopped, until it encounters an error. Next we have test mode or paper trading. Right now this is enabled, so this means the bot won't submit orders to exchanges, instead simulating orders in real time as market data changes. So this allows you to see how a bot strategy or bot config would operate without using real money. If you want to see how test mode works, we have a full breakdown here for how it simulates fills and affects your fake balances. And then for those fake wallets for test mode, you can set them to whatever you'd like. So since this bot has test mode enabled, we're not trading with real money, so we can give the bot any amount of Ethereum USD to play with. So we'll give it 1 Ethereum, $1,000 US. If we want to recap how the strategy works, we can click here, we can see the full description and the full code as well, just like before. And now we'll click Run Bot. We have a disclaimer, I'm going to accept it. On the left side, we see the activity log. This is going to give us insights into what the bot is doing. So currently, we're starting the bot and subscribing to real-time Binance Ethereum USD order books, ticker feeds, and candlestick data. Over here, we see the balances. This is the starting total and the current total, along with each individual wallet balance, starting and current. We have any market feeds, so the ask, bid, and last of any markets we're monitoring. And down here we have the orders that have been submitted by this bot so far. So we see that's already opened a limit buy order. So if we want to find out why, we can go to here to the activity log, and let's go to interval 1. It says it submitted 1 order. So let's go look at that. All right, for interval 1, the bot is starting up, setting the reference price to the current ask rate of $13.30. So we're on the market of Binance US Ethereum USD. This is the last price. We have a configured order amount of 0.3. The buy trigger is if the price drops 1% in 30 minutes. Minimum profit is 0.75 and the stop loss is 0.75. And the next price reset is in about 30 minutes. So that's from the dynamic price interval that we configured. So we see here that it's configuring a buy order at 13.16, which is 1% below the reference price of 13.30. So it's saying right now the ask price is 13.30. If that drops at least 1%, or if it drops 1% to 13.16 within the next 30 minutes, our open buy order will have filled. So you can see it's configuring the order here and submitting it. And we go to the next interval. Now we see that it's monitoring that order. So now it knows that we have a buy order that's currently open at rate 13.16. We also see the stop loss rate. So if this buy order fills, the bot will immediately open a sell order above that price. But if the price continues dropping to 13.06, the bot will say, okay, I want to prevent any further losses. I want to stop losses. So it's going to cancel your open sell order and immediately sell your position in a market sell to prevent any further losses. So it's already on interval 24. So that means it's already executed. Now 25. It's checked 25 times. Because every 5 seconds, it's reevaluating and rechecking what the status is. So this says the next price reset is in about 27.7 minutes. So we're going to come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This bot has been running for 29 minutes. So we have about 30 seconds left until the price reset. So we can see that the price really hasn't changed much. It did not drop to our desired buy target of 13.16. So in 20 seconds, the bot should cancel this order and then reopen a new order below the current rate. We'll see that in a moment here. There we go, resetting dynamic buy rate. Now we see that the previous buy order has been canceled, and now a new buy order has been opened at a different rate, 13.19. So since last time, the price actually moved upwards. So now we opened a buy order at 1% below the new rate. So we're saying the price did not drop within the last 30 minutes, which is our dynamic price interval. So now we're going to reset to 1% below the current rate, and within the next 30 minutes, if the price drops to our buy rate again, we'll be good. This behavior allows the bot to follow the market upwards or downwards when it's moving slowly before it buys or sells. So we can see, let's go look at this. So we can see one alert right here, interval 361. You see it says it's monitoring the open buy order. Now we're resetting the order rates due to the dynamic price interval. So we've passed the dynamic prices interval, time to reset the target buy rate. So it says the previous buy rate was 13.16, the new buy rate is 13.19. We've also set a new stop loss rate as well. That's canceling the open order, so we can open a new order at the updated buy rate. We go to the next interval, it says waiting for the buy order to confirm it was canceled. It sees that it's confirmed. Now it's time to submit a new buy order at the new rate, and then it does so. All right, now we're going to stop this bot. So over here we can see we stopped it because we clicked the stop this bot button. Now it's confirming any orders that were being submitted. It's canceling any remaining open orders, and it's unsubscribing from the real-time Binance US Ethereum USD order book. All right, the bot has been stopped. And we can go back. We can see this bot's runs. So this latest run, we see it had 2 orders. You can see both of those here. You can see it had the first buy order that we canceled, and then we opened a new buy order at a different rate, and then that was canceled as well when we stopped the bot. You can see the config for this bot run. So we were set to Binance US Ethereum USD, 30-minute dynamic price interval, price drop percent buy trigger was 1%. We can also see the balances of the spot run. So here we see the total dollar change. The US dollars, it went down 0.8%. But if we had just held Ethereum and USD, it would have also gone down 0.8%. So you can use this to compare to see if your trading bot performed better or worse than if you had just held the assets instead. All right, we'll go back to the bot's home screen. And that's it. We just created a ping pong swing trader crypto trading bot in Coygo Bots and ran it on the Binance US Ethereum USD order book. If you'd like to try Coygo and Coygo Bots, you can start a free trial today. All plans include a free trial. Good luck training.